Have you ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of information? I know I have. In today's fast-paced digital world, we're constantly bombarded with new information from countless sources, articles, videos, podcasts, social media. It's relentless. That's when I discovered the concept of building a second brain, a digital extension of your mind to store, organize, and retrieve information instantly. The first step to building a second brain is choosing the right tool. For me, that tool is Obsidian. Obsidian is more than just a note-taking app. It's a powerful knowledge base that allows you to cultivate a digital garden of interconnected ideas. Imagine reading a fascinating article about the science of happiness. You can clip it into Obsidian, highlight key takeaways, and record a short voice note summarizing your thoughts. Obsidian allows you to link this note to other related ideas in your system, like mindfulness or positive psychology. You're not just collecting information, you're weaving a rich tapestry of knowledge, connecting the dots between different concepts. This interconnectedness mirrors the way our brains naturally form associations, making it easier to recall information and uncover hidden patterns. One of the most remarkable benefits of building a second brain in Obsidian is the explosion of creativity it unlocks. By linking and tagging your notes effectively, you create a dynamic web of ideas that fosters creativity and innovation. Imagine you're working on a new project and feeling stuck. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can turn to your Obsidian vault. Start by browsing through notes related to your project, following the links to see where they lead. You might stumble upon a seemingly unrelated note that sparks a new idea. Obsidian becomes a playground for your mind, where you can experiment with different concepts and watch as your creativity flourishes. Let's face it, we live in a world of information overload. It's impossible to consume and retain everything that comes our way. Obsidian makes it incredibly easy to distill information down to its essence. When adding a new note, summarize the key takeaways, jot down your own thoughts, and highlight any actionable insights. This process forces you to engage with the material more deeply and creates a concise record that you can easily revisit later. Obsidian offers a flexible folder structure, allowing you to categorize your notes based on projects, topics, or any other system that aligns with your workflow. Think of it like creating your own personal library, ensuring you can quickly locate the information you need when you need it. Remember that feeling of panic when you desperately need a piece of information, but you can't seem to find it anywhere? With a second brain, those days are over. By implementing the PARA method, you can create a system that allows you to locate any piece of information within seconds. PARA stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Think of it as a hierarchy for organizing your notes. By categorizing your notes using the PARA method, you create a logical and intuitive structure that makes it incredibly easy to find what you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a note on a specific marketing strategy for your new business. Navigate to your projects folder, find the project for your business, and then look in the relevant area, such as marketing. One of the most profound changes I've experienced since building my second brain is a significant reduction in stress. The constant worry of forgetting something important, the feeling of being overwhelmed by information, it's all but disappeared. Now I have a sense of calm and clarity that permeates all aspects of my life. I know that all my valuable information is safely stored and organized, ready to be accessed at a moment's notice. This frees up my mental energy to focus on what truly matters, creating, connecting, and making a meaningful impact. With a well-organized second brain, you no longer waste precious time searching for information. You can retrieve any piece of information instantly, allowing you to move seamlessly from one task to the next with laser focus and precision. So there you have it, the top 5 game changers that revolutionized my life by building a second brain. I encourage you to start building your own second brain today. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, experiment with different methods, and find what works best for you. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of learning and science, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more insights and practical tips. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when you can access it, understand it, and apply it effectively. Start building your second brain today and unlock your true potential.